In this video, I will guide you on how to set a cover image for Pinterest board. To set or change a cover image for Pinterest board, the image must already be saved as a pin inside that specific board. Open Pinterest, make sure to log into your account. Now, if you want to add the cover of an existing pin over here, then go ahead and find that pin, then tap on it. Now tap on the save option. Here, select the board that you want this image to be the cover image of. Once that is done, tap on the profile icon. Now head over to that board. Then you want to tap on the three dots. Here tap on edit info and settings. Now tap on this pencil icon. Then select the pin that you have just saved. Drag it to reposition, then tap on done. Now wait for some time. And as you can see, this image has been successfully added as your cover image. Now you can simply head back. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.